good.
She is good.
This is your truck in rough shape.
This is your truck. This is your truck on drugs.
Oh. Oh. 2 kilometers left. Oh, that's an awful sound. Oh, how do you feel about this, John?
Not good. I don't feel good at all about it. We should be fishing right now.
We should be fishing.
I should have already caught my limit by now and be catching your guys' limits.
Yeah, that's a good point.
For you. Instead, I'm just hoping we can make it home. I'm just forget living day by day. I'm living minute by minute right now, second by second.
Well, you know what we could do? We could toss our fishing license together with some lemon oil and dill, and no,
Eat that.
we could use it, make a nice pastry out of it.
I got a moose tag that I didn't fill this year. We could make moose tag soup.
It should be mandatory that you do some kind of recipe.
I was going to put it on the
old-
Christmas tree, but I forgot to. See if we scare this guy. No, he doesn't play.
I don't think he's scared of everything. Taco time!
Yeah, we could always eat at Taco Time too. They fucking pushed Taco Bell out of this town.
Really?
Yeah, Taco Bell tried to open up. They're open for like 2 months, gone.
Bye, Taco
Like
Bell.
3, 4, 5. I think there's
Hello, Taco
five
Time.
Taco Times here. It's a local franchise.
They got the taco market clinched here.
You can't even really compare it though. It's like twice the price at Taco Time and more than twice the quality.
Twice the quality?
Oh yeah, way nicer.
Oh, good.